Okay, I don't know how good anybody will be able to see these clouds, but there's definitely some serious activity going on here now, which is awesome considering it wasn't even in the forecast. But there's lightning all around us now. Those clouds to the south toward Texas are just blowing up so high in the atmosphere. And I can imagine as hot as it's been, it's pretty unstable up there. There's what we can see of the moon with this little flip video. It's about half full, looking pretty good. Quite a show going on to the north. I'm going to shut this off and head up there and start again. Peace.